Staying true to his word, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips' integrity filings have been made public. The filings were published by the Gleaner today after obtaining the summary from the Jamaica printing services. TVJ's Kimon Witter has the details.
On Sunday, this call from the opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips.
But I am urging the Integrity Commission to publish the summary of my integrity reports as they are required to do by law.
Checks by the Gleaner newspaper at the Jamaica printing services before this weekend showed a summary of those declarations was available. It showed the opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips declared to the Integrity Commission that he and his family's assets and income totaled roughly $185 million as at December 31, 2018. The income and assets were declared in both Jamaican and foreign currency. A breakdown shows the Jamaican dollar component of Dr. Phillips and his family's income amounted to just under $54 million last year. Assets, including motor vehicles, real estate, and investments, were valued at $60 million. As for the foreign currency component of his declaration, the value was about $561,000 or just over 71 million Jamaican dollars at the end of 2018, when the US was valued at a little over 127 to 1. The declaration also shows Dr. Phillips had no debts at the end of last year. By law, a summary of the Prime Minister's and the opposition leaders' statutory declarations should be gazetted. However, the Gleaner said the last time it checked before going to press, the Prime Minister's declaration was still not available. The declarations cannot be published until they are cleared by the Integrity Commission. General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, Dr. Horace Chang, last week told TVJ News that further inquiries will be made to get an update on statutory declarations filed by Prime Minister Holness. He said this was based on the possibility that more questions may have been asked about the declarations already filed. Kimon Witter, TVJ News.